In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import multiple text files into Excel. If you have several text files that contain similar data, importing them one by one can be slow and repetitive. This method lets you bring in all of those files at the same time and then load the combined result into a worksheet in Excel. First, go to the Data tab on the main ribbon. You can find it near the top of the Excel window, alongside tabs like Home and Insert. The reason we start here is that Excel stores the tools for importing external data under the Data area. Next, click the Get Data button on the far left. This button is the gateway to different import options, and it opens a menu where you can choose what kind of source you want to load. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking the Get Data button itself, not a nearby command, so you get the correct set of options. After that, hover over From File and select From Folder from the menu. This is an important distinction, because From Folder tells Excel to look at an entire folder and read multiple files together. When you select From Folder, Excel will prepare to browse for the location that contains your text files. Now, browse to the folder containing your text files and click Open. You should see the folder selected in the dialog box. Once you click Open, Excel will start the process of reading the files in that folder and preparing them for combination. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a moment, so give Excel a few seconds to do its work. Once the files are ready, you will see options related to combining them. At the bottom of the screen, locate the Combine button, then click the drop-down arrow next to it. This drop-down is where you choose how Excel will merge the data from multiple files. It matters because different combine options produce different results. From the drop-down menu, select Combine and Load To. Choosing Combine and Load To ensures that Excel not only combines the files, but also loads the combined dataset into your workbook right away. After you select that option, Excel will move you to Settings for where to place the output. Next, choose Existing Worksheet. This is the option that tells Excel to write the combined results into a sheet that already exists, rather than creating a brand new worksheet. This is useful when you have a specific layout or you want everything placed in a known location. Then click Cell A1. You are basically telling Excel the top left starting point for the imported data. Cell A1 is a common choice because it gives plenty of room for the table headers and data to fit neatly. After clicking Cell A1, make sure the selection highlights correctly, since that confirms the destination. Finally, click OK. This confirms your choices and triggers Excel to load the combined data into the selected worksheet, starting at Cell A1. When it finishes, you should see your imported and combined text file data appear in the sheet. At that point, you can review the columns, check that the headers and rows look right, and then format or analyze the data as needed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.